Hi friends, here we are given this function. In this function, there is a greatest integer function. What is greatest integer function? The integer which is lesser than this, but still the greatest one. For example, if greatest integer function of 3.1, what is the highest integer which is less than 3.1? It is 3. So 3.1 will become 3. Similarly, minus 3.1 will become minus 4. Why? The greatest integer which is less than minus 3.1, that is minus 4. So what is this pi square? Pi square is 3.1 square, which is 9 point something, right? So greatest integer lesser than 9 point something. What is that? That is 9. Similarly, greatest integer lesser than minus 9 point something. Minus pi square is minus 9 point something. Will be minus 10. So this function is equal to cos 9x plus cos of minus 10x. Cos is an even function, right? Cos of plus x equal to cos of minus x. Cos of minus 10x is actually equal to cos of 10x, right? Cos is an even function. Sine is an odd function, right? Even function means what? Cos of minus x is equal to cos of plus x, right? For example, cos is symmetric about the origin, right? Cos will look something like this, right? Something like this, right? It is symmetric, right? This side is equal to this side, whatever, right? Cos is symmetric about the origin. So, sorry, about the y-axis. So that's why it is, uh, that's why it is even function, right? Now, cos of this function is equal to cos of 9x plus cos of 10x, okay? Cos of minus pi square is actually equal to cos of minus 10x, which is nothing but cos of 10x. Okay. So now we are given these four values f of pi by 2, f of pi, f of minus pi, f of pi by 4. Let us try to calculate all these four and see which one is right. Okay. Now cos of 9x plus cos of 10x. This is what we have to calculate. Cos of 10x when x equal to pi by 2. What is this? 9 pi by 2 and 10 pi by 2, which is equal to 5 pi. And what is 9 pi by 2? We can write this as 9 pi is 8 plus 1 pi. 8 plus 1 pi by 2, right? Which is nothing but 4 pi plus zero point 0.5. This is 4.5 pi, which is nothing but 4 pi plus zero point 0.5 pi. Okay, why we are writing in 4 pi? Because cos period is 2 pi. Right. If you are removing 2 pi's, it doesn't matter. Cos 2 pi is equal to cos 0. Cos 2 pi plus x equal to cos x. Whatever. Likewise. Okay. So 4 pi. So cos 9 pi by 2 is actually equal to cos zero point 0.5, which is equal to cos pi by 2. Right. And cos 5 pi is equal to 4 pi plus pi is equal to cos pi. Right. So this is equal to cos pi by 2 plus cos pi. And cos is what? It looks like this, right? This is 0. This is pi by 2. This is pi. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. And this one is 2 pi. Right? Cos pi by 2 is what? Cos pi by 2 is 0. Right? This is 0. And cos pi. Cos pi is minus 1. So 0 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Okay. And f of pi. That means what is f? Cos of 9x plus cos of 10x. This is what we have to calculate. Cos of 9 pi plus cos of 10 pi. What is 9 pi? 9 pi is equal to 8 pi plus pi. So this is equal to pi. Cos pi plus cos 10 pi is equal to cos 0. Cos 0 is plus 1, right? And cos pi is minus 1, right? Cos 9 pi is equal to cos 8 pi plus pi, right? 8 is to 4 times 2 pi. So it doesn't matter. All because the period is 8 pi plus pi, because the cos is a periodic function, and every 2 pi, if you add, it is the same thing. So cos pi plus 8 pi is equal to cos 0 plus pi. Okay. So basically this is equal to cos pi plus cos 0. Cos pi is minus 1 and cos 0 is 1. Minus 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. F of minus pi, which is nothing but cos of minus 9 pi plus cos of minus 10 pi. Cos is an even function. That means minus 9 is equal to plus 9. Right. Cos minus 9 pi is equal to cos plus 9 pi. And cos minus 10 pi is also equal to cos 10 pi. So this and this are actually equal. F of pi and f of minus pi are equal. So this is equal to 0. Now f of pi by 4. Cos 9 pi by 4 plus cos 10 pi by 4. What does this mean? 9 pi by 4 again. 8 plus 1 pi by 4. This is, sorry, 8 plus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 2 plus 1 by 4. 2 plus 1 by 4. 2 pi plus 1 by 4 pi. Right, this 2 pi we can ignore. So what is this equal to? Cos pi by 4. Right. This is 2 1 by 4 pi, right? 9 by 4 means 2 1 by 4. The 2 we can ignore because 2 pi plus pi by 4. And this is what? This is 2 plus 2 1 by 2. 2 1 by 2 pi. Right. 2 and a half pi. 2 plus 2 pi plus 1 by 2 pi. This 2 pi we can ignore. So this is equal to pi by 2. Right, cos pi by 2 and cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 2 is actually equal to 0. So this is 0 and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay, so this answer is 1 by root 2. Now, which ones are correct? F of pi by 2, which is minus 1, this is right. First one is right. Second one is 0. Third one is 0. Second one is wrong. Third one is 0. This is right. This has to be 1 by root 2. This is not. So A and C are the correct answers. Very, very basic problem. You just need to know what is the greatest integer function and how to convert this 4 pi's, 10 pi's into smaller numbers and be able to calculate cos n pi or n pi by 2 or n pi by 4. Right, basis n. Right, guess. Very simple problem.